What's going on, YouTube family? Alright, today I'll be going to my mod box for my 2016 Fusion. And today, tonight, what I'm going to install is my courtesy lights on my mirror, which is interchangeable from the dull incandescent bulb. Basically, you unlock the door and close the door. Courtesy lights, I've changed those to the projected ones. So these are ordered off of eBay for like $45. They're the projected ones that shoot the, I want to say, logos on the ground. But it's supposed to be a Ford, so let's see what's in this packet. Alright, so in this packet we got two of these bulbs, which is labeled right and left. So I guess one goes on the driver's side and the other one goes on the passenger side. You got the two wires that you connect. So I guess you pull the pins off the old one and connect it to that. So you see the little projector lens right there, which has got the little film over it to protect it from getting dirty. So I'm gonna go outside and show you the incandescent ones that I'm about to pop out and replace them with these. Alright, so we're outside, about to cut on my mirror lights. So basically this is what they look like. Shine on the ground, showing your path before you get into the driver door or the passenger door. And these bulbs are located underneath of the mirror. I don't know if you can see the incandescents. Alright, look. So we're about to swap those out and replace them with the ghost shadows. But first we're gonna pull them out and do a comparison of how they look. Alright, so what we're gonna do is try to pop this bulb out. Like that, hit the clip. Should just pull out, but I guess gotta fight with it for a little bit. Now this is the driver's side mirror that we're fighting with. Alright, so this is the bulb, which is, I literally had to take out and destroy it, taken out, because it wouldn't just come out. So that's what that is. And these are the wires that you gotta connect to with the projectors. And I'm gonna go inside and try to piece it back together so you see what it looked like before I destroyed it. Alright, so I kind of pieced it back together, but this is the factory one and this is the ghost shadow projector one. So when you get the factory one, it's basically one piece, one unit, and you cannot take the cover off to change the bulb inside of it. You actually would have to go back to Ford or eBay or wherever you get it to, buy it to replace it. You have to buy the whole unit itself. So we're going to change this out. Well, we already done pulled it out, so we're going to go ahead and pop this in and see what it looks like. So hopefully it doesn't have a direct polarity, which is it has to match positive to positive and negative to negative. So let's go ahead and go outside and go put it on this Fusion. Alright, so sorry that my car's dirty, but oh shit, I done scratched it. But here we go. Left side for the driver's side. So we're gonna go ahead and try to plug this end up here. So I guess in the white is negative. So go pop it in right there. Retake. So hopefully that's the correct way. So I'm gonna do a little test. Open the door. See, it's full right there. So let's put it back, close the door back, and pop it in and see what we get. Alright, so I got the light in underneath the mirror, and we're going to go ahead and do a test. So, there you go. Projection forward. So, this is how it looks after it's put in. Get that little glare about it. And that's it. So, if you like it, leave me a thumbs up, comment. Until then, peace. Oh, and also subscribe too. Later.